Alright, so let's take a look at how Pfizer's doing. We are currently sitting at $36 in their stock price with a market cap of 200 billion. That is solid. And the dividend, 4.2, that's a solid divvy. So, Pfizer is currently expanding their coronavirus vaccine trials. So, Pfizer and German biotech firm BioNTech, so they have an agreement and they're kind of co-producing a vaccine for the coronavirus. So Saturday they have submitted a proposal to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to expand the phase 3 trial of its coronavirus vaccine to include up to 44,000 participants, originally from the 30,000 that they wanted. So this is a great sign. That means they might be onto something. If Pfizer is the first one to develop a vaccine, I could see us hitting maybe $45, $50 in stock price. I'm hoping, but let's just see. I think that's where it would go. If it did shoot up, if they were the first ones, I would sell immediately because I don't think Pfizer is not a growth company. They're a solid dividend company, but which I have thousands of dollars in Pfizer, so if they develop a vaccine before anyone else, I'm selling because I'll never have a chance to make money off them again like that. And then I'll buy in at a later date once everything blows over and it comes back down. So they essentially the the way that they're doing this is it's their phase 3. So there's multiple phases in a vaccine, and the fact that they hit a third stage is a great sign. That means the other stages have gone well, people have reacted well to the vaccine, and they need to try it on more people. The more people they try, the better answers to determine whether it's a valid vaccine or not. And here's what the CEO said. Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla said earlier this month that the pharmaceutical company could have results from its late-stage trial as soon as October. On Saturday, the companies reiterated the possibility that they could have data reflecting whether the vaccine is effective or not by the end of October. However, it could take longer to collect enough data to determine whether the vaccine is safe, because it could take a few months to follow up work to determine what kind of side effects, if any, the vaccine may have. That's all good signs. That's what I want to hear. So here's a quick little info on phases. So generally, a vaccine trial has several phases. The initial phase, which is given to 200 to 100 healthy volunteers. The focus in this phase is to make sure the vaccine is safe and to note any side effects. The second stage, there are hundreds of volunteers. In the monitoring, safety, researchers try to determine whether shots produce an immune system response. The third phase involves thousands of patients. This phase continues the goals of the first two, but adds a focus on how effective the vaccine is in protecting people exposed to the pathogen. In this case, the coronavirus, this phase also collects data on more unusual negative side effects. So I think this is a great sign for Pfizer. No matter what, Pfizer is earning money from the coronavirus vaccine because one, they've already got a deal where they're going to produce vaccines for other companies if other companies develop a vaccine. And they're trying to develop a vaccine with another the BioNTech company. They're they're working together on that. So Pfizer has a great stake in this. I think it's going to pay off well for them. And let's see if they figure out if they're the first ones, I'm gonna be happy because I think I bought in around $36. So if I could make some money off that, that'd be great. And yeah, do some research. Hey, if you found any of this informative, please subscribe to my channel. I definitely appreciate it. And yeah, do some research on Pfizer. Stay on top of them. They could be earning some good money. Have fun. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.